So Vernon, I think it's important, as we're just sort of having this conversation, that it's important for all of us, that when we are enrolling patients onto clinical trials, that we have a broad sample so that, whatever results that come out are only as good as the people that go into it.
Yes, that's true.
And if we only have representation with one particular group of people, then the results are always a little bit harder to interpret or apply to the general population. If you can kind of speak towards, how these participating in these studies really can help apply, the knowledge that we learn to everybody. I wonder if you can comment on that.
Yeah, this information will help my people in the future. You don't have, the big bottom line is you just can't be afraid. You just can't be afraid. And like I said, for myself, I can't speak for other people. I was never afraid. I do believe in science. That's why I'm still alive right to this very day, because of science. And if I hadn't decided to take go through what I went through, the trial, I wouldn't be here now. I don't think I would be here. Let science help you. And as for Black people, you don't have to be afraid. If it's going to help you and help keep you alive, you don't let fear come in. As the Black people, we already been diagnosed with high blood pressure and diabetes and all that. And if it comes to cancer, don't be afraid. Don't let fear set in. Because even my wife told her auntie during that time, she said, when Dr. Drew Lard set the x-ray up there and let me see it, she said, y'all don't understand it. I was with him. I looked right up in that man's face and I didn't see no fear at all. And sometimes I would pull her close to me and hug her and let her know that I'm not going nowhere. I'm not leaving. I can't let fear dominate me. And as of Black people, don't let the fear dominate you. If somebody willing to be there to help you, to accept the help. That's with anybody, any race. You got to trust somebody. You have to trust somebody. And from day one, when we came and she looked at me, and after we left to go home, she did tell me, she said, I trust Dr. Patel and the science, But I knew right away when I met you that, he knows what he's doing.